An efficient way to run your schedule is to designate certain times for different types of procedures or appointment types. This allows your staff to search for open time slots within those parameters. Today, for our tip of the week, we're going to talk about how to set up appointment templates so that you can do just that.
Okay, today we're talking about setting up appointment templates in your office hours appointment scheduler. So we would use templates to be able to block out or template out rather certain types of appointments or for certain providers or for certain reasons or for different days. So for example, let's say that Dr. Mallard here in this first column wants to schedule surgeries all day, or excuse me, half a day on Tuesdays every Tuesday and all day on Thursdays every Thursday of every week. So we would schedule a template for that, just so that the people that are making the schedules know how to schedule, know what to schedule, and know how to probably most importantly talk to the patient and prepare the patient and not get their schedule mixed up and schedule all their appointments there. So here's how that would work. We're going to go into the edit templates screen here. And click edit templates. You'll see that all my appointments disappear, and I'm in this. If you look here, there's this editing templates mode that I'm in, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Tuesday here because I want to block out from Tuesday to 1 to 5 for surgeries. So I'm going to double click there to start creating my template. I'm going to scroll down and select my surgery reason type that I've set up previously under my reasons. Let's go ahead and bump that up to 240 minutes so that it's blocked out from 1 to 5. And we're going to make this a light red color. And next to repeat, I'm going to make this repeat weekly every Tuesday. Okay, so I have this. I should have this set up so that every Tuesday from 1 to 5, it has a template there for surgery schedules. I also want to do this all day on Thursday, so I'm going to click over to a Thursday, start at 8 o'clock. Again, I'm going to select surgery here and do the same thing. This time I'm going to choose 540 minutes though, so it's all day. Change this to light red and change it to repeat weekly on Thursdays. Hit OK. So I have just scheduled a template here for surgeries. Now let me show you what this does and how this works. I'm going to get out of my appointment template here, and as I click to different days, you'll see that if I'm on a Monday, right here's my normal appointments, but then on a Tuesday you'll see that there's it's not blocked out, but it's a template, meaning it's kind of a placeholder there. I can still schedule different times at different appointments. If I go to Thursdays, you'll see all day Thursdays blocked out, but like on Wednesday, nothing there, right? So what happens here is if I try to schedule an appointment during this time, let's just pull up any random patient out of my list here, it's automatically going to set schedule for surgery and how much time that I put in for my reason code when I built my reason codes out. And now all I have to do is maybe put in some notes and hit save, and it's going to schedule for surgery. So anytime I try to schedule in the template, it's automatically going to fill out some of the details here for you and allow you to schedule those templates. So I go to all day on Thursday, right? We block that out. So now as I schedule appointments there in that time slot, again, automatically already scheduling for surgery. So let's say that Dr. Morris only wants new patients on Tuesday, let's say Mondays and Wednesdays from 8 to 11. Dr. Morris only wants the new patients. Maybe you have additional paperwork or there's additional tests you have to do for new patients. They take a little bit longer. They have to be handled a little different method than existing patients. So only Mondays and Wednesdays we're going to do new patients. So let's go ahead and create a template for that. So I'm going to go to Dr. Morris here. I'm going to do 8 to 11. So I'm going to double click there and just say that that's, we're going to select our new patient type that we created. And remember, you can create whatever you want here. These are your reasons. You set these up. We're going to make that 3 hours worth. And we're going to say it's, light green. And this time we're going to change it for every Monday and Wednesday. And we're going to hit OK and hit save. And now, as we exit our editing template view, you'll see that every Monday and Wednesday, as I kind of scroll through the different days, you'll see that every Monday and Wednesday is scheduled for that new patient time. So if I try to schedule a patient there, it's automatically coming up with new as the reason, and now I can type in notes and make my schedule and do what I need to do whatever I need to do there so that it's hopefully easier, faster, quicker, more efficient in how you are able to navigate the patient experience and help your office staff a little bit in the process. So that's how you use templates in office hours. Hope this tip helped. Hope you learned a little something in that and enjoyed it. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.